This American madness is finally here. SA celebrities basically opened a WhatsApp group and said, guys, this year let's celebrate Halloween so that in 30 years' time, the new generation then will believe that it has always been our thing. People who have adopted this American stuff upset me so much. Like, why would you give them something to cheer about? Next thing, they'll be bragging about how South Africans are culture vultures. This is so sad, but we can't help but look, so we are going to comment and rate. Hello, hi, welcome. I am Simi Sotashe, your chummy that is always ready to spill the tea. No fear of favor, honey. So make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything from this channel. Now let's get into it. In no particular order, we are going to start with my favorite girl, Uzola Nombona. Ndize Nombona no gaga. I'm talking about a Xhosa joker sana. She ate hands down. I think this is probably the best Halloween outfit.
Would you die for me?
Yes.
That's too easy. Would you live for me?
Yes.
Careful. Do not say this oath thoughtlessly. Desire becomes surrender. Surrender becomes power.
All I could hear was ndifuna imali yami mshengu, ndifuna imali yami yo. Gigi Lamayne and her boyfriend Sizwe Elakine aka Reason. They cannot comment sana. Reason is like a clown, right? And Gigi is looking like a draggy teenage girl in one of those rich kids' parties. Now, doesn't Nadia Nakai look like Gigi Lamayne here? Guys, I think she was channeling Gigi Lamayne. Zinxumalo, okay, I am scared. 10 out of 10, loved it. It looks like she just gave birth and had the baby for lunch in school toilets. Really creepy, love it. Zinxumalo again as Lebo Mathosa here, gorgeous, beautiful. No one can convince me that that is not Lebo Mathosa. She ate. Cyan Bougie, now this is another 10 out of 10. In fact, give her 100, ma'am. Outstanding. You outdid yourself, Cyan Bougie. Now, Cyan again as Thuli Pongolo. I don't know if this was meant to be funny or straight up mocking Thuli P. Cyan Bougie again as Black Cat with a BBL. You Black Cat with a BBL, guys. Does this Black Cat look like she can run though? I'm not convinced on this one. The outfit is giving I'm about to hit the pole at some strip club. That's all I'm gonna say. Mihlalin Damase as Black Cat. Now this is more like it. You can see this Black Cat is ready for action. So she ate. 10 out of 10. Tate yonke chomi. Now, Mihlali again, cute, but don't you wear like scary or weird outfits on Halloween? I said, oh yeah, because I don't to Halloween, enough said. Robert Marawa's fiance, Tando Tabete, channeling Rihanna or channeling her future self since she's getting married. It's cute, but not for Halloween, ne? But she ate. It's cute. Wise Man Zita, very creative, very sexy, very mysterious, 10 out of 10. Dr. Maweni, she looks cute on this one. However, on the second picture, she channeled herself, honey. She still looks cute. I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting her to look really, really scary and dangerous, but beautiful mama. You can clearly see that Uncle Waffles has been to America and probably experienced this before. This is 10 out of 10. Love it. Anele Zondo is the only one that has disappointed me so far. Iferi enje, are you a fairy or windoni? Like, ingathi uye kulaa mama uthungisayo and she did a thing. Hayi sisambothatha change yakho. What did you guys think of Halloween South Africa 2025? And let me know if you want me to do a part 2. I'll meet you in the comments. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel and the notification bell is on so that you don't miss new videos I upload. Also, like this video if you were entertained. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.